Hello and welcome to MangoDrum. These tutorials show you how to use the features of the player. To get started, we need to first open a grid for you to practice along with. So let's begin by clicking the File menu tab and then selecting Open. The File tab is found on the top menu bar on the left-hand corner. By default, this opens the My Grids folder located in the Documents folder on your computer. Now choose the grid that you want from the list. For this demonstration, let's choose the Tumbao grid. Click on Tumbao and then click Open. These are the individual sections of the composition running across the top. For this demonstration, let's choose Section 2 to explore the player's features. Features such as the metronome, count into a section and a flashing beat bar can be switched on or off. Select the metronome icon to hear a pulse being played along with the track. The metronome icon is found along the row of icons running at the top. Switch on the count-in to hear a 4-beat click before the track starts to play. Go to Controls on the menu bar, scroll down to Count and select On. You can set the beat bar to flash on every square of the grid, on the pulse, or switch it off. Go to the View tab and choose Grid, Beat Bar, and then make your selection. Click the loop icon and then click the play icon to hear the section play continuously. Use the player controls to stop, pause and play. Down the left-hand side of the grid is the instrument list for this section. Next to the instrument name is the notation for the pattern it's playing. Clicking the speaker icon to the left of the instrument name mutes or unmutes that track, but keeps the notation visible. Right-clicking on the instrument name and selecting only this instrument allows you to solo that particular instrument. Here we'll choose to just hear the Ganza pattern. As you can see, this action mutes all of the other instruments. If you want to hear the agogo pattern together with the Ganza, then you can simply unmute the agogo pattern as well. To hear all of the instruments again, right-click on any instrument and select All. If the speed is too fast for you to practice along to, then you can slow it down by clicking on the tempo icon located at the bottom right-hand corner. You can select a preset tempo from the list, or select Custom to choose your own tempo. Let's select Custom. Another dialog box opens where you can adjust the speed. Then click OK. You can increase or decrease the volume of each instrument by using the mixer. Here we're going to turn up the timbre and turn down all the surdos. Click the mixer icon to open up another dialog box. To adjust the volume of each instrument, use your mouse to move the faders down for the surdos and move the fader up for the timbre. Sounds for each instrument are identified on the grid with particular letters. Click on the key icon to open a dialog box where you can read a description of the sounds. The key icon is next to the mixer icon. The key for notation opens at the bottom of the page. While the key is open, hover the mouse pointer over a note on the grid to reveal the tone or type of stroke. For example, here we can see that for the agogo, the letter L is for a low tone and the letter H is for a high tone. Click on the playlist icon to hear the entire composition from beginning to end. To see the structure of the composition, click on the View menu tab and select Toolbars and then Playlist. Move the scroll bar up and down to see how the different sections have been arranged to create the composition. The highlighted row shows the section that is currently playing. Section 1 is in grey, and now it changes to the 5-beat break, and now it changes again to the lead into Section 2. Remember to use the features shown in our earlier tutorials to help you with your practice. For example, if you want to play through the whole arrangement on the tamborim, it may help to mute the instrument and slow down the tempo. To display the grid in different sizes, click on the View menu tab, then go to Grid, choose Size, and make your selection. The suggested hand sequence or handling is written at the top left in each square. The handling written here for the caixa is for a right-handed player. You can have the handling feature switched on or off, or change it for a left-handed player. Select View menu tab, then choose Grid, then Handling to make your selection. You can choose to play back the music in human or computer mode. The human mode gives the music a more natural feel. Go to Controls menu tab, select Style and then make your selection. Click the Info icon for additional playing tips and suggestions. Here we have some alternate sticking options for the caixa pattern. To print the grids, choose File from the menu tab and then select Print. For more help, click the Help icon on the menu tab. To close down the composition, select File and then Close. To shut down the program, click on the Exit icon. We hope you found these tutorials to be helpful and demonstrated just how easy the software is to use. We hope you enjoy working with MangoDrum and find it to be a beneficial practice aid. Thanks for watching.